In today's video, I'm going to teach you set up a direct debit or standing order using your Monzo account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make sure your recurring payments are recognized and easy to manage inside the Monzo app, so nothing surprises you on billing day. First, let's talk about card-based subscriptions like streaming services or app memberships. When you pay for these with your Monzo card, Monzo does the heavy lifting for you. Simply use your Monzo card at checkout, and from then on, the app will automatically track those repeat charges. You'll find them collected in the Payments tab, where they're neatly organized so you can see what's coming up and what's already been paid. This happens automatically once you've started using your Monzo card for that subscription, so there's no extra setup required. It's a simple way to keep your recurring card payments under one roof and stay in control of your budget. Now, what if you've got a regular payment that Monzo hasn't picked up as a subscription yet, or you want to be extra sure it shows in your scheduled view? You can manually mark any transaction as recurring. To do that, open the transaction from your feed, look for the repeating payment switch, and turn it on. That tells Monzo to treat this as something that happens on a regular basis, so it appears alongside your other upcoming payments. This is especially handy for things like memberships, donations, or any recurring card payment that might not be obvious at first glance. Here's why this matters. Keeping everything visible in the Payments tab helps you plan ahead. You can quickly check what's due soon, spot unexpected changes, and avoid missing a renewal. If you pay with your Monzo card, the tracking is automatic. And if you need to make sure something is recognized as recurring, flipping that repeating payment switch gives you full control. A couple of helpful habits go a long way here. Use your Monzo card consistently for subscriptions you want to track in one place. Then make it part of your routine to glance at the Payments tab before the start of each month or week. If you notice a regular payment that isn't grouped with the others, open that transaction and toggle the repeating payment switch so it's included going forward. That's it. Use your Monzo card for subscriptions so they're tracked automatically in the Payments tab, and if needed, open a transaction and turn on the repeating payment switch to mark it as recurring. With those two moves, your ongoing payments stay organized, predictable, and easy to manage.